Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the top 5 vacuum cleaners of this year. We have scoured the market and tested the different models to ensure that you get the best possible results when it comes to cleaning your home. We will be discussing their features, pros and cons, and how they stand up against each other. Get ready to find out which vacuum cleaner is the best choice for you this year. Number 5. ABIR Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The ABIR Robot Vacuum Cleaner X6 has some impressive features that make it a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable, efficient cleaning tool. The Smart Eye system ensures that the vacuum can detect and avoid obstacles, and the 6,000 PA suction power ensures that it can pick up dirt and debris quickly and thoroughly. The AP No Geo Line feature allows you to customize the area you don't want the vacuum to clean, and the Selective Zone Cleaning feature ensures that you can select specific areas for a thorough clean. Finally, the Breakpoint Resume feature allows the vacuum to resume its cleaning from the last area it was cleaning in the event of a power outage. All in all, this is a great option for anyone looking for a powerful, efficient, and easy-to-use vacuum cleaner. Number 4. Liectroux G7 LDS Robot Vacuum Cleaner and Mop Combo. This vacuum is incredibly powerful, with 6.5 kPa suction and carpet boost, so it can handle even the toughest jobs. It also has a laser lidar navigate system, which allows it to map multiple floors and remember the layout of my home. Plus, with 180 minutes of runtime, it can clean the entire house in one go. It's super convenient that it's self-emptying, so I don't even have to think about it. All in all, I'm very happy with this vacuum and highly recommend it. Number 3. Lydsto 2 Automatic Cleaning Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner. It's an incredibly powerful and versatile cleaning machine, with features like dust removal, cleaning, and drying all integrated into one machine. I've used it to clean up my carpets and furniture, and it's made my life so much easier. The suction is strong and the machine is easy to maneuver. Cleanup is a breeze, and I'm amazed at how much dirt and dust it can pick up. Highly recommend this vacuum cleaner. Number 2. Dreame F9 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This Dreame F9 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a great choice for keeping your home clean and tidy. With 2,500 pascals strong suction and planned cleaning, it can pick up dust and dirt quickly and easily. The automated charging feature is great for added convenience, and the mop dust collector makes it perfect for hardwood floors. The aspirator is powerful enough to get the job done in no time. Overall, this is a great choice for anyone looking for an efficient and effective vacuum cleaner. Number 1. Ecovacs Deebot T9 Max. This Ecovacs Deebot T9 Max vacuum cleaner robot is a great option for those looking for a reliable and efficient cleaning solution. With this advanced True Detect 3D and True Mapping technologies, as well as its impressive 3,000 pascals suction power, it's sure to tackle any mess. Plus, it has a mobile fragrance feature that leaves your home smelling fresh and clean. Overall, this is an excellent choice for those wanting an automated and thorough cleaning solution.